Today we're going to learn how to convert a 10-based number into a binary number. A 10-base number has 10 numbers from 0 to 9, and when you have to start over with a new number, you have to go into the next column, which is why you have a tens column and a ones column, so that every number that's represented when you go past, say, 9, which you can put in the ones column, you have to add and put a placeholder into the ones column and put the 10 or the 1 in the tens column to give you 10. So binary is actually the same thing, except you only have two numbers to work with, 0 and 1. So you have to set up first your place value. Whereas 10-based, you have thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. In binary, you're going to start with 1. You double that to get 2, double that to get 4, and keep doubling 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. So these are your place values. The 1s, the 2s, the 4s, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now if you had, say, 178, you know that you would put 178, 8 would be the ones, 7 would be the tens, and 1 would be the hundreds. So you're going to represent this number, or another number, from 10 base and convert it to binary. Let's start with an easier number than 178. So we only have up to 64 showing here. I can go less than the double of 64, so let's just do 76. We're going to convert the number 76 into binary. First, you have to start with the highest number you can get without going over. So the highest number I can get without going over in the place value is 64. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 in my 64 value. And now I need to subtract 64 because I've used 64 now. It's in the 64 column, so I need to subtract 64 from 76. So 76 minus 64 is equal to 12. Now I look at the 32, and I can see that 32 is much bigger than 12, so I couldn't add 32 to my number. That would be too much, so I need a 0 in this place value. Again, 16 is bigger than 12, so I need a 0 in this column. Now 8 is not bigger than 12, so I'm going to use an 8. Now I need to subtract 8 from 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. So I can automatically see that here's a 4, so I'm going to put a 1 in the 4 column, and I don't need any more numbers. So all these numbers, 4, 8, and 64 all add up to my 76. So I need a placeholder in the 2s and the 1s. So my binary, 76 in binary, is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0.